Want to turn off autofit messages in Gmail? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step to disable this feature easily. If you enjoy straightforward tech tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful guides. Start by opening the Gmail app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your desired Google account. Next, tap the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the app's main menu. Scroll through the menu options and select Settings to access your account settings. Once in the settings, tap on General Settings to view features that apply to all accounts. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Autofit Messages. This setting adjusts emails to fit your screen automatically. To turn it off, simply tap the switch next to Autofit Messages. The toggle will deactivate and the feature will be disabled. You've successfully turned off autofit messages in Gmail. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.